everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. Today is Trunk Club Day. This is a heavy trunk. I am so glad that you have joined me to unbox this trunk, to try everything on. If you have not subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you'll be notified every single time that I make a video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. And thank you so much for joining me. All of you that watch my videos, thank you for the support. So I'm going to do it a little differently today. Everything in this trunk is wrapped in plastic. So I am going to unwrap it, put it on, give you my first impressions and the description of the items. And we'll see how we like that format. But hopefully it will save a little time because this is a really big trunk. So I'm going to open it up, I'll show you a picture, and we'll start trying things on. Okay, this is the first outfit that she sent. And the pants are the Amy Stretch Ankle Skinny Jeans by NYDJ. They're in Pale Desert Flower. And I saw these on my preview, and I'm not normally drawn to the lighter pinks and blush colored pants. I think this is a little bit more coral. But I'll stand back. She sent one size smaller than I normally wear. They're very stretchy. It was easy to get them on, but they're very tight. So I'll show them to you in a moment. I am wearing this with the Peplum Tee by Caslon. This is in beige, and I'm not normally drawn to the Peplum tees, but this feels really great. This is the K-E-W, Crystal Collar Necklace by Bauble Bar in Pearl and Gold. Check this out. It probably shouldn't be worn with this outfit, but if it was mine, I'd wear it with everything. I love this necklace. The necklace is $68. The jeans are $109. The t-shirt is $39. And let me stand back so you can see this outfit. So check out the jeans. They're pretty tight, but I like this this crop length and that little vent and the little slit on the side. And tell me what you think about this color, because I've always kind of shied away from these lighter pink kind of colors, and so I have to show you these shoes. I'm going to stand back and see if you can see them. I will do close-ups of all the shoes, but these are Dolce Vita, and they're called a Roman square, or what's it called, heel. Oh my God, they're so wonderful. Dolce Vita is the brand that Stitch Fix sent me, and they were $90, and I said, you know what, I just have a feeling that Shauna, my trunk club stylist, is going to come through for me, and I think she did. I've got some other shoes here, but I think these might be it. So let me just show them to you right now. Okay, this outfit is the Release Hem Denim Skirt by Caslon, and this is in Supernova Wash. This is $69. I had mentioned in one of my past videos that I do not own a denim skirt, nor did I want to, and yet I keep getting stylist notes that say, wear this with a denim skirt. And I thought, maybe I should have a stylist pick out a skirt for me. So this is what Shauna picked out for me, and boy, does it feel excellent. This has got a little stretch in it, and it has working pockets in the front. Not crazy about that, but we have some pockets in the back, and we have this this release, or they call it released hem, but just the unfinished hem. But it is reinforced, so it won't come apart. This skirt feels awesome. I don't know, is this taking you back to the 90s? Let me know. Tell me honestly. And this blouse is the Mini Gingham Clip Dot Top by CC in blue, and I was really drawn to the print of this blouse. It's a cotton blouse. I don't know about these sleeves though. I feel like it's like, oh, little girl cute, and not real crazy about that. It does have the keyhole back right here with a nice little button, and you know what? I don't know if you can tell too. This fabric is textured. The little dots on it have a little texture. So I'm wearing, these are the Vince Camuto. I asked Shauna to send me some nude sandals. Can you see these? I'll show you a close-up. The strap right here around my ankle is a little tight, and I have it as large as it can go. These are a suede sandal. The sandals, where are we? Vince sandal in taupe suede are $110. And you know what? I don't want suede for the summer. I really don't. Suede says fall and winter to me, and I'm glad I got to try these, but they're not the ones. Man, just when things were going so well, she sent this option. She sent two options of denim skirts, and this one is the Bayview tiered denim midi skirt, and this is by Madewell in the Winona wash, and this one makes me feel like I should be square dancing, going to the hoedown or something. It's very, very comfortable. It's probably a great length for a woman of my age. I just think it looks funny. It does have working pockets in the front and in the back, and it does button up all the way. And then I'm wearing these are BP wedge sandals. These are in a patent leather, which I love everything. All things patent leather I love, but these are a wedge, and I'm not real crazy about wedges. So I think I like the first denim skirt better than this one. Let me know what you think about this one. This dress is by Anne Klein. The dress is the New York dotted chiffon dress in black, and I think the black is the only thing I don't like about this dress. This dress is just feels wonderful. It makes me feel pretty. It is completely lined. It's very, very lightweight. You've got the V-neck and the belt around it. It does have a hidden zipper on the side, and it's got tabs to hold the belt up. It's got a nice V-neck. It's not too terribly low, so I like that. And there's some gathering right here, so gives you a nice silhouette. We'll check to see if this dress comes in a different color. This dress is $129, and if it's in a different color, this dress might be mine. And the last jewelry item she sent, this is also by Bauble Bar, and this is Mara Everyday Fine Layered Necklace in gold. And let me show you. It can be, if you can see that, so it can be worn different lengths. I have this one on the longest length right now, and I think the necklace, I think it's beautiful. I don't really know if I need it. It's $58. It's a little expensive for me for costume jewelry, and I just got a great layering necklace from Trendsen the other day, so I don't know if I'm in the market for this, although it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, we saved the best for last. This is the Emerson Rose sheath dress in ivory, and oh, love this dress. This dress is very nice fabric. It's got a very modest neckline. It's sleeveless. It zips up the back, and it does have a vent right here in the side, and it is stitched shut, and I will not remove that stitching until I decide if I want to purchase this dress. Let me stand back. You'll notice that I am wearing the Dolce Vita sandals. They need to be broken in, I think. I am wild about this dress, and you know why, because I love these colors, and this is a fun dress to wear, and it feels amazing, and my husband likes it, and it's $149. Oh, this trunk is great. Final thoughts. We'll do final thoughts. Whew. You know what? I didn't tell you much about Trunk Club, and I will now. Trunk Club is a styling service. It is a Nordstrom company, and so all of the products come from the store Nordstroms. And if you would like to try Trunk Club, I will leave my referral link in the description box below, and you will be paired with my stylist, Shauna, who is absolutely awesome. I really love the pieces she sends for me. And so there's a $25 styling fee, and that $25 comes off any purchase that you decide to make from the box. If you have a Nordstrom card, though, your styling fee is waived completely. And the shipping is free both ways. They enclose a mailing slip, and you just put it right back on that trunk. You put everything that you don't want in that box and put the label on it, call UPS, or you can drop it off at a UPS store. They even give you tape. I think that's the coolest thing. They give you tape for your box. So the service is awesome. If you sign up with Nordstrom's or with my stylist, you will get phone calls from her. She will email you. She will text you. You will be in constant contact. And I'll tell you, when I was searching for the white denims and it was just terrible, she actually texted me and said, let me send you a trunk full of white denim, nothing else. And I just thought that was so sweet of her to really want to help me to find a piece that worked for me. She'd send me 12 pairs of denim to help me find one pair. So she is awesome. LaShawna, you rock. And if you guys want to use her, go through my referral link and you will get hooked up with Shauna. And so my thoughts on this box is I think it was excellent. There were so many great choices. The only thing that kind of scared me was that tiered denim skirt, but I really like this denim skirt, and I think I would wear it quite a bit. So I don't own one. I think this is the one for me. Please let me know. Am I fooling myself? I also really like this Caslon top, and it's got the peplum on it, and I normally don't wear peplum because my hips are large. So let me know. Tell me honestly what you think about this little t-shirt. This dress, this Emerson Rose dress, I like it, and my husband likes it, and I think it should be mine. And the Dolce Vita Roman block heeled sandals are the prettiest shoes, and that just goes to show you that you don't have to settle, that another box will come, and eventually you will find your perfect piece if you're using subscription boxes and you have great stylists, and I feel like I do. I'm very blessed with these women that I work with. So far as the other pieces go, I like that chiffon dress. I don't like the color. I'm not sure about those coral color pants. Let me know what you think about those. The other top, the blue print top, felt a little juvenile for me. But I really want to hear your thoughts on all of these pieces. So thank you so much for joining me for another unboxing. Yeah, let me know what you thought about this format, or if you would prefer to see me actually unwrap the clothes and see them for the first time, because I'm happy to do it any way you want it. I'm just trying to keep it short. I am a chatty patty. Thank you again for joining me. Thumbs up will really help a girl out, and subscribe before you leave. I want to see you again. God bless you all.